What's up, YouTube? Today we're gonna cook some chicken breast tenderloins. We're gonna cook 3 of them. I'm gonna show you how I do it. Just remember to hit that subscribe button right there. Yeah, let's get started. Alright. So they come like this. Let's see, 2 pieces almost like the other, 1.5. Just remember to wash them. You could defrost them, like the last video on the fish. Just gonna do this real quick. So I'm just gonna turn it on. You can put it as high as you want. It's better to cook meat real slowly, like that it cooks well. If you put it too high, it'll look like it's cooked, but the inside is actually raw. So I'm gonna lower it down a little bit. But to start it up, to get it hot faster, you can just put the fire up high. Then you put in some water. Just throw that all in there. And let it boil. Put the cover on it. And give it about 10 or 15 minutes, maybe even 20, so it'll cook real good. For this meal, I decided to cut up some lettuce and with a slice of tomatoes. You guys could do the same if you want. Alright, so when it's almost done, that's when I put the seasoning in there. Right now I'm using, for my chicken breast, I usually use Kirkland's organic no salt seasoning. Gives a good flavor. And it has no salt, so put as much as you want. Sprinkle it all in. You put as much as you want. You can flip it. And put it on the other side if you want. It gives it a nice flavor and a nice color. You can find this in Amazon and in Costco. Only 2 places that I know that sell it. But I only like taking this with egg whites or with chicken breast. Any other meat for some reason doesn't taste that good. With chicken breast, that bomb. Alright, so you can take it out. It's already done. What you're doing is just boiling it with water and putting seasoning. Easy meal. That's the chicken. And what you can do is you got some veggies, some lettuce. And this right here is about, like, everything will cost you about maybe like $1 or something. Real cheap meal that you can eat at home. Look at that. Don't that look good? Also, that's just protein and carbs. But you also, I made a video about this, I'll post it. Eat peanut butter or some type of good fats, like that your body be like, good fats. And it actually, what it does is it's healthy for your body, and it's gonna get rid of your belly fat. Like your fat all around is gonna help you get rid of it. Your body needs to get some good fats. It needs to know that you're giving it good fats so it can lose the extra body fat. So eat either peanut butter, like 5 or 12 grams of good fats with every meal, and like that your body loses more fat. So that's it right there, guys.